Former Krabby Asante Kotoko player, as a matter of fact, also Captain Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Eric Donko, and then when your appointment from the Ghana Football Association, appointment mean a home in Samoa, but a bro, a will fear her. Appointment, GF financing, over her appointment, cost to severally. No, and I would say, excellent across the folk. And so he appointing as the club licensing manager, assistant manager, and then the same thing we know a committee of club licensing similarly in the same vein and also he appointing but a committee is headed by our very own Dr. Kwame Baniako. And the difference kakre women say we know a committee and a SMMs they are more administrative on the manager as the club licensing assistant managers quite similar. Yes, and only information about so Eric Donko, former Krabby Asante Kotoko, yes, player no and appointment awenya from the Ghana Football Association. I don't know. Now elsewhere, Ghana Premier League what to say Berekum Chelsea for coach bi. Yeah, Berekum Chelsea for coach Christopher Ennin. Yeah, Christopher Ennin amount for Edene Kohasu Fuka desa. Now I resign I resign from the Juma of Berekum Chelsea. Inti amount for Kaze or Kohasu Fuka koye assistant coach to Watara. Na information yen say can say Accra Sufuk Ejuma Ennin Ekofana say ama Berekum Chelsea Ejuma na abeda hono. Coach na oye adwuma ewo Accra Sofuka efreno Samuel Boadu or the nani kire Berekum Chelsea na wakofa Berekum Chelsea adwuma no enti mo amafe Samuel Boadu the news today is that Samuel Boadu is on the verge of joining Berekum Chelsea na wakofa no de o ma abo season no awie eno ne information eba enyan CP but he is on the verge of joining them. That's the news which is coming through this afternoon. And Ekobasa, I'll be particularly excited about that because coach Samuel Boadu one of the top coaches Ghana. Yenyan Premier League no embed. Or the Premier League mienu Emma House of Folk and our JFA Cup Bako and our J Super Cup Bako. And yes, small feet and also President Cup Emma across Folk. All in that period 2022 and we in a Juma. Across Folk ends meaning also due to one or two misunderstanding. Also back to Ghana Premier League no matter things the flavor and the touch ebeba. I will say a bit coming through with Berekum Chelsea. Yeah.